Hi everyone, so today, wow, is that my intro? Hi everyone, so today, okay, so I'm getting ready for work. I'm eating popcorn, and, I don't know what I'm gonna do. Well, I have an idea of what I'm gonna do, but it doesn't mean it's gonna turn out good. That's fine. This is gonna be more like a get ready with me. I title all my videos get ready with me because I'm not confident enough to say, oh, this is a tutorial, because a tutorial implies that I'm teaching you something, and I just don't know what I'm doing half the time, so like it's too much pressure. If I say get ready with me, I can give you tips, but it's not a tutorial, so really got to think about that. But I just bought this chrome yellow eyeshadow from MAC the other day, 2 days ago, and it's like the only yellow eyeshadow I own other than the one from Subculture, and like, ooh, we know who that's a scandal that should not be talked about. But even though I think yellow looks horrible on me and I'm not tan at all, so it also really doesn't suit my skin tone, I'm still gonna wear it. I tried wearing this yesterday, by the way, and those of you that have me on Snapchat, you know how that turned out. Let's just are we gonna do it right here? Yeah? Yeah? Yikes. Terrifying. Oh, girl, we don't want that again. So, here's to hoping that I don't look sick again. But if I do, what's new? I always look dead. Okay, let's get into it. Should we start with, wow, love that. Should we start with our base? You already know about the mirror. Do I even need to warn you anymore? I can't. These tops, I'm probably gonna change, honestly, because I can't do this. How do they do it? I got this. How distracting is this mirror on a scale of 1 to 10? Whatever. I got this sample of the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Enriched Skin Base. I think that's what it's called. If not, then whatever. It's the one that Jeffree Star uses, so I have to use it. And can I just say, they were so unsanitary. I'm not the most hygienic person in the world, I'll admit that. I'm just gonna rub that onto my skin. But what they do when they give you a sample from Sephora, they take, if you've ever gone to Sephora or Ulta or any of those makeup counters, they have a sample, a tester, everyone puts their nasty ass fingers in it, and there's usually stories with the mascaras and any eye products that you'll get styes, or with the lip products, people will often get cold sores. It's just not sanitary. And so it's whatever. It's not what I was expecting, but I'm oh, can I get a sample? Right? Okay. What they do is they just take this tester. They don't cleanse it at all. At least I'd be okay with it if they sprayed rubbing alcohol or whatever they use to sanitize the testers, they do it at MAC and wherever. No. She takes the sample, grabs a stick and sticks it right in here. So it's just straight out of the tube. And maybe I'm the gross one for continuing to use it. I'll admit that. But I was just wow. Love that. And she was really bitchy about it too. We all know, so I'm just gonna use my Tarte Twinkle Stick, my high points. I'm not gonna do too much, I don't know. recommendation. So I going to Disneyland in 2 days, and I have not even started to pack, so that's fun. What else? I still need to do my tutorial on my, I don't even know what you would call it, negative space cut crease. I don't know. I need to do a tutorial on that, and I need to do, there's a lot of videos I need to do, but that's what happens when you're lazy and work and don't want to edit when you get home. You just want to go to bed. Yeah, that's what happens. But I need to do that. I need to do my piercing video. I need to do my brow video. And I have this video concept that I am really excited for, and everyone thinks it's stupid, but I'm actually really excited to do. The thing is, it's gonna take like an entire day to film. I don't know if I'm gonna film in Disneyland. I kind of think I want to be honest, but at the same time, I'm so awkward filming and like doing all that around my family, because I don't know, I just don't think they get it. My little brother is into it, but I mean, he's 8. It's just gonna be awkward. And we all know how awkward I am in front of the camera, and I'm awkward in person. And then you put those two together for like real life situations and the camera. That's like gonna be really, like, that's gonna be hard to watch. I think though, I think I've been getting better, you know, at being less awkward in front of the camera. I mean, like, you have to remember that I'm awkward in person, so when I say less, I mean like more like I am in real life. But I mean, and obviously there's some videos where I'm just kind of like quiet and comfortable, but that also has to do with the fact that I live in a house where there's always people here, and by the way, the fact that no one's here right now, I'm shook. There's always people walking back and forth, and it's just like uncomfortable, because again, they don't get it. Like, why is she talking to the camera? Why is she in her room talking to herself? I've been wearing a lot of concealer lately. Don't know why. I guess I have a lot of things to hide. That's you! I need to set my under eyes.
Okay.
Okay. What highlighter do we use, buddy? What highlighter?
Ready.
This one? This one?
Yeah.
Here. I need a brush. This one. Use this brush. Put it on me. Do my makeup. Here, look. Wait, I have to blend it out. Can I blend it out? Oh, I'm gonna fan you.
Mom.
Yes, definitely. Here, let me show you. So I just laid the baby down and I changed because it was This is ridiculous. Like, I can't do this. I'm gonna have to find something else to wear. That's too much. I love opening Instagram. I think I just drooled on myself. Classic. So, I really just built up the yellow in like my transition area. You can see the difference as opposed to this is several layers and this is my first layer. I am gonna take the Sweet Peach palette and I'm gonna dip in the Candied Peach. Just gonna apply that on my outer corner, blending a little bit into my crease, just but keeping it super low because I want to keep that yellow pigmented. I think I like how it's turning out. It's kind of reminding me of mangoes a little bit, but I'm just taking a little bit more of the yellow and blending it above the peach, so just to reinforce it. You know, I'm gonna definitely have to do that a few times as I'm blending it away. So with these kind of colors, it's all about building, because I want to make sure I blend it out, but the colors are already so light that once I begin to do that, they're kind of lost. I'm going to take the tiniest bit of puree and run that on my outer corners, just the littlest bit, or just enough to give me definition. I'm taking a little bit of Tarte Shape Tape on my lids and I'm going to cut my crease. So I'm just going to do a half cut crease. I'm going to take White Peach and pack that over top of the concealer. I'm then going to pick up some more of the yellow shade and I'm going to place that on the center of my lid and I'm going to pack that color on, transitioning from white to yellow to the peach. Then I'm going to really pack on the peach shade again, kind of overlapping the yellow just a bit. I'm going to place the yellow under my eyes. We're really going to pack it on my inner corner. Yep, just like that. Then I'm going to take the peach shade under my eyes. I'm getting tropical vibes. Blend it out with the original brush with the yellow on it. I'm going to add a little bit more yellow. I'm going to highlight my brow bone using White Peach. I'm going to use this gold glitter liner from like Forever 21. Yeah, I don't know. It's cheap. I'm cheap. It's fine. It works. And I'm gonna line above the cut crease. I'm going to take the Tarte Exposed highlighter and use that as my inner corner highlight. I don't want to use a black eyeliner, but I don't have like a brown gel liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take just a deep brown eyeshadow. I'm going to wet my brush with Fix Plus. And then I'm going to take this deep matte brown eyeshadow and use that as my eyeliner. I am going to curl my lashes in the mascara. I'm going to attempt to put on false lashes. We'll see. Now for lips, I'm just going to take off the foundation that's on them. Lashes always save a look. And then for lips, I'm going to keep it simple and use, you know, the lipstick that, you know, the baby ruined, so I'll just do that. This is so gross. And then my Dior gloss in 363. And this is the finished look. It's, you know, tropical vibes. I don't know, but here we go with the awkward outro. Like, subscribe, comment, do all of that. I'm so bad at this. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.